ButterKit includes MCP support, so you can use AI agents like OpenAI Codex to automate your designs, localize your screenshots to dozens of languages, and even publish to App Store Connect, all in seconds using natural language. To get started, just open up ButterKit settings and click the AI Agents MCP tab. Then enable the MCP server. Next, scroll down to the configuration section and copy the helper binary path. Now let's jump into the Codex app and add the MCP connection. Go to Settings, MCP Servers, and press Add Server. Let's name it ButterKit. Ensure STDIO is selected and paste the helper binary path from earlier into the Command to Launch section. Press Save. Also check our new server is enabled. When AI agents are connected to ButterKit, you'll see their status in ButterKit settings. Additionally, it's recommended to set an agent import folder to allow clear file access for your AI agents. This enables Claude to access your specified screenshot images and export your finished designs. Without specifying this folder, you may encounter macOS sandbox limitations. Now let's test it out in Codex. Looks good. Now let's put Codex to work for us. In ButterKit, I can see our agent taking actions for us. Obviously, this is just scratching the surface. You can automate designs, import screenshot images, publish to App Store Connect, integrate into deployment pipelines, and much more.